Hey guys, this is Nico. Have you ever wondered about the connection between Japanese factories in the 60s and the working methods currently employed by tech giants like Google, Amazon, or even Tesla or SpaceX? But maybe more weirdly, how a devastated post-war Japan developed a revolutionary technique that remained the backbone of global industries today. Well, stay tuned until the end to uncover how this transformative approach shaped the world we currently live in and learn the fascinating story behind its global impact. Before moving on, I'm very excited to announce that you can find here a new playlist I created focused on Japanese culture and history. Make sure to explore it and dive into the incredible stories I already uncovered. We are now on the 2nd September of 1945, and the Second World War officially ended for Japan. Waking up in a devastated country, Japan urgently had to rebuild its society and economy. In the process of reconstruction, many Japanese corporations were established to support Japan's rising economy, facing a severe scarcity in resources. This significant setback became the catalyst for Japan's renewal. As they have done multiple times in their history, the Japanese people had to demonstrate resilience and creativity in order to thrive once more. It was in this challenging context that a new management technique began to emerge. To address resource shortages at all levels, these methods had to focus on efficiency, but not in the traditional sense, previously used with the invention of rationalization and standardization. This is where Taishi Ono, a Japanese industrial engineer, comes into play by inventing the Toyota production system. Instead, this new approach emphasized a clear understanding of the working process and a relentless pursuit of continuous improvement. This philosophy quickly became the cornerstone of Japanese efficiency and economic growth in the 50s, 60s, and 70s, evolving as a standard in the nation's industrial landscape. At that time, Japan was still occupied by the US Army that feared that Japan would remilitarize. This is how this Japanese innovative management technique, known as lean management, was later recognized and adopted by American companies. This marked the beginning of a global transformation in business efficiency and productivity. You know what can also be transformative? Clicking here to understand the Japanese writing system in less than 9 minutes. We are now in the 90s, with the rise of computers and the digital industry. At that time, and in this industry, many professionals start facing difficulties when trying to apply traditional project management methods. It is during this time that many custom frameworks and working methods arise, up at the point that in 2001, a new way of seeing project is created, known as the Agile approach. This approach focuses on producing increments fast in an iterative way. The Agile mindset borrows many best practices from lean management and is built on a similar philosophy. Nowadays, Agile principles are totally ingrained in the innovative DNA of tech giants and companies like the GAFAM. And more recently, organizations like Tesla or SpaceX have adapted Agile to their industrial and hardware-focused contexts. This approach, initially dominant in the digital world, has now spread across various fields, redefining how projects are managed, products are developed, and strategies are crafted. Today, Agile is a widely embraced standard among tech companies. Its flexible, value-focused frameworks have revolutionized industries and continues to shape modern business practices globally. But this might only be the beginning of a new era. And this statement holds true for you too. By watching this video, you will understand and be surprised to discover how much Japanese you already know, and this without even realizing it. As already mentioned before, drawing on the principles of Agile and Lean, we are now witnessing their adaptations to large industries such as automotive manufacturing and space exploration. Companies like Tesla or SpaceX have embraced and even enhanced those modern working methods. However, this is only one piece of this innovative equation. These pragmatic approaches are now being further enhanced by AI. AI technologies now assist operational teams by providing insights into where and how improvements can be made. This integration echoes the original spirit of lean management while continuously seeking improvements. These new organizational structures prioritize delivering value quickly and efficiently, with a constant focus on optimizing processes and continuous improvement. This is why some new companies are now able to disrupt ancient industries, like the way Tesla did for cars. You know what is also crazy? Discovering this video about how Japan, by using a traditional and normal keyboard to input Japanese, not only made it one of the most versatile keyboards available, but also influenced the technology behind the way we currently type on the smartphone. Hey guys, that wraps up the video. I really hope you enjoyed that content and that it was as interesting for you as it was for me to craft it. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video, but most importantly, please drop a comment in the section down below to ask me what you would like to see next. In the meantime, I'm out of here everybody. See you soon. Bye bye. Matane.